Are you looking to pay employees in different locations but aren't sure where to start? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to use Deel to easily handle global payroll and manage workers no matter where they're based. Whether you have remote employees or an international team, Deel provides a seamless, cost-effective solution to manage payments and ensure compliance, all from one platform. With Deel, you can pay employees and contractors in over 150 countries, all while staying compliant with local tax laws. The platform takes care of everything from payroll processing to contract generation, so you don't have to worry about the legal complexity of paying workers in multiple locations. To get started, sign up for Deel through the exclusive link in the description below, and you'll be able to use it for free with some special bonuses. Now let's dive into how it works. Once you're logged into Deel, the first step is to create an account and add your company details. Then you can start adding employees, contractors, or even freelancers, no matter where they are located. Deel allows you to manage contracts in different currencies and automatically calculates the correct tax and compliance requirements based on each worker's location. If you're paying employees in countries with different local payroll rules, Deel simplifies the process by managing all of that for you. It automates compliance, meaning you don't have to worry about making costly mistakes when it comes to tax filings or salary deductions in different regions. One of Deel's standout features is the ability to set up multiple payment methods. You can choose to pay via bank transfer, PayPal, or even cryptocurrency if that's your preference. Deel ensures your employees are paid on time and all transactions are done securely, so everyone can focus on their work instead of the technicalities of payments. In terms of user experience, Deel is incredibly intuitive. If you're new to payroll software or working with international teams, you'll find the setup process and day-to-day management quite simple. The platform provides a dashboard where you can track payments, contracts, and any pending tasks, so you always know where things stand. You can also set reminders for any action that's required on your part. Another reason Deel is so effective for global payroll is that it allows you to customize contracts based on the specific location of each employee. So whether you're hiring someone in the US, the UK, or Japan, Deel ensures that contracts are tailored to the local legal standards and tax requirements. Lastly, let's talk about Deel's HR capabilities. Not only can you pay employees, but Deel also helps you manage benefits, track employee performance, and ensure that everything is aligned with labor laws in each location. It's a one-stop shop for your global workforce. Before I wrap up, remember, Deel is free to use through the link in the description below. And if you're looking to manage a global team without the headaches of compliance and payments, Deel is the tool you need. With its powerful features and easy-to-use interface, it's the perfect solution for paying employees in different locations, efficiently and correctly. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the exclusive extended free trial through the link below. Thanks for watching, and let Deel take the complexity out of your global payroll.